Before I start the video, can you please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and hit the bell button. Hello guys, welcome to Sunny World. Today I'm going to show you an experiment to be fun. You would need a glass, some water, use a big glass and it must be clear, a candle and matches. And don't forget about matchbox. And the plate. First put the water into the plate. Okay, now we put the candle in the middle and light it up. Wait for some time, because the candle needs to get the fire a bit higher. So like 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now I'm going to put the glass. I'm going to be scared. Ready, steady, go. Okay, just give you a few seconds. You can see it's rising. It's rising. The water is shrinking. The water is shrinking. Oh dear. Oh dear. Huh? There's no more water. It's a drought. That was the experiment. Thank you for watching.
Why the water level rising up in the glass? The candle heats the air and expands it. This cancels the depletion of the oxygen temporarily and the water level stays down. When the oxygen is depleted, the candle goes out and the air cools. The volume of the air decreases and the water rises.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.